What is PoC Hell and how to avoid it for SaaS? Have you ever found yourself stuck in a situation where a proof of concept process feels like a never-ending maze? This scenario, often referred to as PoC Hell, can be a real headache for businesses exploring software as a service solutions. Let's break down what PoC Hell is and how you can steer clear of it during your SaaS selection and implementation journey. PoC Hell occurs when the proof of concept process becomes too lengthy, complicated, and frustrating. This often leads to wasted time and resources, leaving you with unclear outcomes. In the world of software as a service, this happens when evaluating a product drags on without clear goals or criteria. As a result, you may face delays in implementing and adopting the solution. A proof of concept is essentially a small-scale project designed to test if a SaaS tool can solve a specific problem and fit into your existing workflows. However, PoC Hell can arise when this process lacks focus or is poorly managed. It can also happen if the SaaS solution itself is difficult to assess or integrate. Several factors contribute to PoC Hell. Undefined or overly broad goals can lead to unfocused testing and unclear success criteria. If the SaaS product has a steep learning curve, it can frustrate users and evaluators alike. Additionally, a lack of clear scope and user stories can leave everyone guessing about what the PoC should achieve. Poor communication between technical teams and decision-makers can also complicate matters. Lastly, overly long evaluation periods without milestones can stall progress. To avoid falling into PoC Hell, you can follow some practical steps. First, define clear goals for your proof of concept. Establish specific objectives that are measurable. For example, aim to demonstrate that the SaaS tool can automate a particular workflow effectively. Next, set a well-scoped plan. Outline the features to test, the user roles involved, and the expected outcomes. Using user stories can help clarify requirements. For instance, you might say, as a user, I want to generate reports automatically to save time. Establish success criteria early on. Determine how you will measure the POC's success, including performance metrics and usability. Limiting the duration of the PoC is also essential. Set a strict timeline to prevent it from dragging on and include milestones to assess progress. Engaging stakeholders early is another key step. Involve all relevant teams, technical, operational, and business, to ensure everyone is aligned and any concerns are addressed promptly. Focus on how well the SaaS product integrates into your existing environment, including workflows and security requirements. Documenting your findings is vital. Keep detailed records of issues, learnings, and outcomes to support decision-making and future onboarding. Lastly, avoid over-engineering the process. Resist the temptation to test every feature. Focus on critical use cases that representing real business needs. By following these guidelines, you can conduct effective proof of concepts that provide clear evidence of a solution's value and fit. This will help you avoid the pitfalls of PoC Hell, ensuring your SaaS projects proceed smoothly and deliver the benefits you expect.